Hello children, hope you are fine. So today I am going to teach you all how to construct a sentence. Okay, now what is constructing a sentence? In short, I can say how to make a sentence. Okay, so before starting with the sentences, I want to show you some pictures as the previous classes. Okay, let's see. So what is the picture telling us? We can see in the picture that there are birds. Okay, so what are the birds doing? Let's start with the sentences. See, the birds fly. Now this is a sentence. Now children, you can see in a sentence there must always be a naming word and a doing word. Those are the must. Okay, so in this sentence, the birds fly. In this sentence, the naming word is the birds, and what is the doing words? That is fly. Okay, now moving on to the next picture. Now in the next picture we have seen a little girl. What is the girl doing? The girl is drawing. So what will be the sentence regarding the picture? See, the girl draws. Now it is a short sentence. Now in this short sentence we can see two things. One is the naming word and the second is a doing word. So what is the naming word in this sentence? The girl. And what is the doing word? The doing word is draws. So it is a short sentence. The girl draws, which is ending with a full stop. Okay. Now let's see the next picture. Now in the third picture we have seen a boy. Okay, so what work is being done by that boy? We can see that the boy is playing. So with the doing word play we can make a short sentence. What is he playing with? We will make another sentence later on. Okay, first we make the short one. See, it will be again a simple one. Rohan plays. It is also making some sense. Who is playing? Rohan. Rohan is the naming word or the special name of a person. Similarly, plays is the doing word. So one naming word or a special name and one doing word can make a short sentence. Rohan plays. Clear? Now let's move on to the next picture. So the next picture is very interesting, that is of fish. So I like fish and I hope all of you like fish also. So what sentence can we make with fish? Short sentence. First we'll think of short sentences. Okay, so what sentences can be made of fish? Let's see. A simple one. Fish swim. Now children, before explaining this sentence I want to say one thing. Now if we are saying about one fish, then also we will write FISH, and if there are many fish, there are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fish, then also we will write FISH. We won't write fishes in case of many fish. If there is one fish, then we will say fish, FISH. If there are more than one fish, again we will say fish. There will be no changes. Okay, this is the short information I wanted to give you. So let's back with the sentence. Fish swim. Now in this sentence, the naming word is the fish and the doing word is the swim. Fish swim. Okay. Now moving on to the last picture. Now the last picture is telling us about little children like you all, that they are doing something. So what are they doing? They are reading books. So what sentences can be made out of that picture? Let's try one. We read books. It is a short sentence. We read books. Now in this sentence, we can see, just like the previous ones, all the naming words were written before the doing word. Now in this sentence, in the last sentence, we can see the naming word is just after the doing word. We read books. What we are doing? We read. What we read? We read books. Okay. Now I'll again show you the same pictures from the beginning, and now we will try to expand these sentences into a bigger ones. Okay, how to make them a little bit big? So let's start with the pictures once again. Now as shown earlier, the birds fly. We have seen the picture. There are many birds. We have made a sentence, that is, the birds fly. Now children, one thing, if I ask you a question, where are the birds flying? So we can add, as you have seen in the picture, the birds, see, the birds fly. Where are they flying? The birds fly in the sky. Previously, it was only the birds fly. It was a short sentence. Now, if I add where are they flying, where do the birds fly? In respect to that, we can say the birds fly in the sky. So what we are adding extra? We are adding in the sky. Where do the birds fly? The birds fly in the sky. Clear? Now you have seen how I have transformed a shorter sentence into a bigger one. Similarly, I'll show you the next picture. In the next sentence, we have already made a sentence. The girl draws. Now, what does the girl draw? The girl draws pictures. So what we have added? We have only added pictures. The girl draws pictures. What does the girl draw? The girl draws pictures. Clear? Moving on to the third picture. In the third picture, we have already made a sentence. Rohan plays. Rohan plays. Now, what does Rohan play with? Rohan plays with a ball. What I have added extra? Rohan plays was already there, and without these words, it is making a sense. But if we add with a ball, It is again making a sense, and it is making the short sentence into a big one. Rohan plays with a ball. What does Rohan play with? Rohan plays with a ball. You can already see in the picture Rohan is playing with a ball. So Rohan plays with a ball. Clear? Now the next picture. Now we have already seen how to make a sentence with fish, that we have made fish swim. Now if I ask you a question, children, looking at the picture, please tell me, where do the fish swim? Then what will you say? Then you will say, fish swim in the pond. As shown in the picture, fish swim in the pond. In the pond, I have added extra. Fish swim in the pond. It can be lake, it can be rivers, it can be ocean, it can be sea. Fish swim in the pond. Okay. Now the last picture. Again, in the last picture we have already made a sentence, that is, we read books. But if I ask you, where we read books, then what will you say? You can say, we read books in school. What I have added? I have added in school. We read books in school. Okay. Now I'll open up the whole copy. At first, I have written the birds fly. Now if I make it bigger, then I'll say the birds fly in the sky. Second, the girl draws. If I want to make it big, I can say the girl draws pictures. Third, Rohan plays. Now what does Rohan play with? Rohan plays with a ball. Number 4, fish swim. Where do the fish swim? Fish swim in the pond. Last one, we read books. Where we read books? We read books in school. So children, I know again this is a new thing I have introduced, that is how to make sentences. Okay, so I would suggest all of you to look this video very carefully, and you can try small sentences at home. Okay, so stay safe all of you. Thank you.